everyone, myself Srushti Suresh Bondre from 12th batch. Today's news is about defense. The Indian Air Force is pushing for government-to-government agreement with France to acquire additional Rafale aircraft as a part of long-delayed MRFA program. This program envisions procuring 114 jets, most of which are intended to be manufactured domestically through foreign collaboration under the Make in India. Thank you.
Jain everyone.
For having a two-front battle together with Pakistan on the western front and China in the north and eastern front, India requires 42 squadrons, which we do not have. Our strength of squadrons has gone down to 29. Okay, so we have to buy fighters as soon as possible because indigenous production of AMCA will take another 10 years by the time it gets inducted. So, and F-35, there is a problem with USA. You know that we cannot rely on them. Anytime if the relations are bad, USA sitting there in America can stop operations of F-35 because they can control the computers from there. So we cannot rely on buying F-35. Moreover, our relations with US of late has gone sour. Okay. So now the option is what? Which is the other fifth generation fighter option for India? Louder. Yeah, Su-57. But there are some technical hitches there. India is not fully committed to buy Su-57. So the discussion is going on what is to be done. Probably some Indian scientists are believing that Su-57 is not performing up to the level it should perform. Okay? So there is a lull. Lull means there is a gap. So then the Indian Air Force has pitched that in the meantime we should buy more Rafales from France to fill the gap temporarily. Okay, this is what she said.
Jain sir, Jain everyone. Myself Rushita Raut from CDS batch and I am here to tell you some defense highlight news. So, the Democratic Republic of Congo has acquired over 100 armed vehicles from UAE suppliers, enhancing its defense ground capabilities significantly. So, my today's question is, can anyone name at least 3 armed vehicles?
Three armed vehicles.
So, the answer is tanks, assault guns and self-propelled artilleries. Thank you.
Which is the best time back in our morning prayer? ATAGS is the best artillery gun India have. Okay, what is its range? What is its range? 40 kilometers. Okay? Next.
Myself, Cadet Piyush Pazarne from 11th batch. Today's my news headline is Political tension in South Asia. AIMIM Chief Asaduddin OIC Citizen Pakistan Army Chief Nuclear rhetoric and urges increase Indian nuclear spending. Thank you.
क्या बोला न्यूज़ क्या बोला?
First of all, join all of you. I Cadet Rubet Walk from 12 batch. Today's defense news is ISA make decision in critical defense to include fighter jets as Rafale and submarines.
Once again,
Defense news is
louder.
ISA make decision to include make decision to include fighter jets and submarines in critical defense.
Who has made decision?
ISA,
ISA. What is ISA?
Indian Security Authority.
Next. AES8. AES8. ISA. I gave you a hint, it is a radar. What is the full form of AES8? This is active electronically scanned radar, okay? This is developed by India and it is far superior than previous radars which our fighters were using, like MiG-21, which is going to retire now in the month of September. It's going to retire. It had mechanically scanned radar. This is active electronically scanned radar which India has developed and it is fitted in Tejas. Tejas aircraft which is going to replace which aircraft? MiG-21s. Okay? So it is ISA radar. And what is Joravar? Raise your hand. Raise your hand, who all know? Sir. Joravar, oi! What are you doing there? All of you. Most powerful tank. Raise your hand if you know. Yes, T-90 Bhishma. And only 4-5 of you raised hand. This is the level of your knowledge. Cadets, please wake up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the handicap. So we immediately did research and indigenously produced a lightweight tank which can climb onto the mountains and operate up to 14,500 feet altitude. And that tank is named Joravar. So 3 tanks you must remember. T-90, it is also known as Bhishma. Then Arjuna, Mark 1 or Mark 2, both are there, okay? Arjuna. And third is Joravar. These 3 you must know.